Hi, this is Stuart, and this is a story about how we nearly lost our minds over our invoicing software and how we fixed it. Now, one of the things that you take for granted when you run a business is that when you press that little button there, your invoices will go out. Well, apparently not always. The other day we noticed that hardly any of our customers had paid their monthly accounts, and it had been a few days since we invoiced them, and we had absolutely nothing. Now this required some investigation, and after digging around for a little while we noticed in our software that there was a problem. The supplier had changed the rules on us and the email no longer worked. Not only did it not work, but it was no longer an option. We had to manually download the invoices and send them out to each and every one of our clients. And who wants to do that every month? Now, to be honest, we should have seen this coming, because you see, we were running a legacy account with Wave, and a few years ago they declared that they'd only be operating in the US and Canada in the future. So the good thing was it was free. The not so good thing was that the company had been trying to switch us to another provider for years, and we were hanging around like a bad smell. So it was time to go. No problem, I thought. I'd replace it in no time and I'd be back on the road. Famous last words. The good news is that I found some bargain priced invoicing software. The bad news is it took me nearly a month to find it. I signed up and tried more invoicing software than I care to remember. Most of their free plans were a waste of time, and the paid plans were expensive. They also drove me crazy. I'd start loading up all of our customers and there were always issues. You'd find that their payment system didn't work properly, or their tax rates would be impossible to set up. Good luck if you want to receive an invoice in another currency. Now, to top this all off, the invoices look terrible, and I'm kind of fussy there. If I'm going to ask a client for money, I at least want my invoices to look nice. Now, I did want to buy a whole accounting package, and most of the invoice-only software charged a similar price to what you were paying for the full package. And who wants to pay $30 a month for invoicing software? Anyway, the good news is I solved the problem, and now I have a fully functional invoicing system that won't get shut down, and it truly has all the fun stuff if you're a bit geeky like me. I bought the software and played with it shortly before I did this video, and within half an hour of signing up I was able to set up a dozen recurring invoices on autopilot. The software automatically sends the invoices, has a pay now button, and allows you to set up automatic payments. It also boasts a portal, a mobile app, and auto overdue fees and other stuff. And the best part is that there's a lifetime subscription going on right now at AppSumo for $69 US. You even get a 60-day money back guarantee. However, you do need to be quick, because these deals only run for a limited time on AppSumo, and many times I've gone to buy something later on and it's gone. So if you want to check it out, go down to the link below this video, or have a look in the description, and you'll see the link there, and you can go there and you can get it for your business. Just pay once and use it free forever, which is the kind of deal I like. Okay, I'll catch you later, and you guys have fun, get out there and make some money.